Welcome to Python tutorial, lesson 34. Today we learn SQLite, a database engine built right into Python. No install needed. Just import sqlite3 and start querying. We will create, read, update, and delete data using SQL. SQLite stores your entire database in a single file on disk. Connect creates or opens the file. A cursor executes SQL statements. Question mark placeholders prevent SQL injection by escaping user input. Let us create SQLite basics.py to connect and run queries. We import sqlite3, which ships with every Python installation. Connect opens or creates the database file. Cursor sends SQL commands. Create table if not exists is safe to run multiple times. Auto increment generates unique IDs. Question mark placeholders keep data separate from SQL. This prevents injection attacks. Executemany inserts multiple rows in one call, passing a list of tuples. Fetchall returns every matching row as a list of tuples. Fetchone returns just the first match, perfect for lookups by unique fields. Always close the connection when done to flush data to disk. Let us review the complete file. "64 lines covering connect, create, insert, and fetch. A solid foundation." The bat pager lets us scroll through the code at our own pace. Now let us run it and see the database in action. Alice gets rowed 1. The 3 bulk contacts get IDs 2 through 4. Fetchall lists all 4 contacts with name, email, and phone. Fetchone finds Alice by name and returns her email address. Context managers auto-commit and close, so you never forget. Row Factory makes results act like dictionaries with column names as keys. Where filters rows, order by sorts them, and group by aggregates. Let us create queries and updates.py for advanced SQL operations. The with statement makes con a context manager. It auto-commits on success. Rowfactory equals sqlite3.row lets us access columns by name instead of index. We create a products table with name, category, price, and an in-stock flag. Seven products across electronics, books, and clothing. One book is out of stock. Where price greater than 50 filters to only the expensive items. Order by price DESC sorts highest first. Limit 3 caps the result count. Update changes existing data. Rowcount tells us how many rows were affected. Delete removes out-of-stock products. Again, rowcount confirms the deletion. Count, AVG, MIN, and max compute stats across all remaining products. Group by category shows count and average price per category. Let us review the complete file. "91 lines. Context Manager, Rowfactory, Full CRUD, and Aggregate queries. Now let us run it and check the output. Four products over $50. The top 3 are laptop, winter jacket, and headphones. Headphones price updated to $69.99. One out-of-stock book deleted. Aggregate stats shows 6 remaining products grouped by key. Mine breaks it down by category. Wrapping database operations and functions keeps code organized and reusable. Each function gets its own connection and uses context managers for safety. Soft deletes mark records inactive instead of removing them permanently. Let us build an employee database with functions for each operation. DB name stores the file path. Changing it in one place updates everything. GetConnection creates a connection with Rowfactory set. Every function calls this. Create table defines employees with name, department, salary, and an active flag. Add employee inserts one record and returns the new rowid. List employees fetches all active records, sorted alphabetically by name. Update salary changes pay for an active employee. Rowcount confirms the update. Delete employee sets active to 0 instead of removing the row. This is a soft delete. Search by department finds team members and sorts them by salary, highest first. Department stats uses group by with aggregate functions for a full summary. The main block seeds 6 Stark Industries employees across 3 departments. List all prints each employee with name, department, and formatted salary. We give Peter Parker a raise and then search the engineering team. Soft delete removes Happy Hogan. Then department stats shows the final breakdown. The final count confirms how many active employees remain. Let us review the complete file. (128 lines, 7 functions, each handling 1 database operation. The functions are reusable. You could import them into any project that needs employee data. Now let us run it and see the full workflow. Six employees added: Tony Stark, Pepper Potts, and the rest of the team. Peter Parker got a raise to $110,000. The engineering team shows updated salaries. Happy Hogan soft deleted. Department stats show management, engineering, and security. Five active employees remain. Functions make database code clean and testable. Let us recap SQLite in Python. Connect and cursor handle database creation and queries. Placeholders prevent SQL injection attacks. Context managers auto-commit and close connections safely. Wrap operations and functions for clean, reusable code. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more Python tutorials. Next time we explore SQL Alchemy ORM.